Hi, I'm Mario from the Student Union. We're outside the York Minster to share step-by-step guide on your graduation day. You need to make sure you have your tickets for the event. They can be printed or on your phone. Once you've got your tickets, it's time to collect your gown. Head to the Court South Hall on campus to pick up your gown anytime from 7 a.m. Then make your way to Temple Hall to get your official photos taken by Grad Attire. Check your emails and the graduation page on the York St. John website for details. Give yourself plenty of time to be fitted with your gown and mortarboard and have your photos taken before heading over to the York Minster. When you arrive at the Minster, you and your guests will need to enter through separate doors. You will need to enter through the south door, which is the entrance near the statue of Emperor Constantine. Your guests will need to enter through the northwest door, which is located near Dean's Park. Any luggage items, such as suitcases and backpacks, won't be allowed inside the Minster, so please leave them behind. York St. John marshals will direct you and your guests to your seats. After the Chancellor's welcome, the marshals will call you up to wait by the stage. It's almost time to graduate. You'll be called up to accept your award. This is when all your hard work comes together for your time in the spotlight. Remember to stop and smile for your official photo as you are handed your congratulations scroll on stage. Enjoy the moment and be proud of who you are and what you have achieved. There you go. You'll have graduated from York St. John University. Congratulations. Once you're directed back to your seat, you can relax and watch the procession. After the procession, you will leave through the south doors. These are the same doors you came in through. Your guests will leave through the northwest door. I hope you have a fantastic day. Well done and good luck for the future.